it's Kathy the Crafty Chica. We are celebrating the start of the school year with Paw Patrol the movie. It comes out August 20th in theaters and Paramount Plus. And to join in the excitement, I'm going to show you how to make a super cute backpack using items you might already have. You're going to start with a backpack, a coloring sheet, some felt, glue, scissors, and whatever trims. Now the first thing, you're going to cut out this coloring sheet and you're going to cut it out piece by piece according to the different colors of felt. Now I am using Chase as the focal point for my backpack, so I had to get some paw print fabric and I used some glue to line that on the front of the pocket. Now when it comes to applying felt to the backpack, a lot of these backpacks are water resistant, so you need to have an extra strength glue that will stick to any surface. So I use extra strength E6000. Gluing felt to felt, I used fabric glue, and I simply used the coloring page as my guide to cut all of the pieces, and then I just layered them on top of each other. You could use the picture as a guide and take your time and relax. Now for these little finishing touches, like all of the black lines, they were a little too skinny to cut out from the felt. So you know what I used? I used puffy paint. So you could go in with the puffy paint and add those little details and outline everything in black. This will really make it pop and really make it come alive and look a lot more finished. After that, I use my white puffy paint to add some polka dots all over the front of the backpack. And I had so much fun, I decided to decorate a Paw Patrol lunch tote as well. You can watch Chase, Marshall, Skyer, Rubble, and the rest of the team of heroic pups save the day in this summer's perfect family movie. Use your puffy paint to write their names or even your name on the front of the lunch tote. Now I'm going to be giving these away. Leave a comment below of why you're excited for the Paw Patrol movie, and I will choose one winner in the United States to send out this backpack to, and then the lunch tote, I'll give that away on my Instagram. So go check out my Instagram post and you can enter to win that one as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and you can see more projects at craftychica.com.